Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
Shivaya Namah 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 Shivaya Namah
சிவாய நம உபாயம் தரும் அனுதினம் விடாது வினை தொடாது விடும் பணிந்திட சிவாய நம மந்திரம் மறவாத ஒரு நாள் மனமனம் சிவாய நம உபாயம் தரும் அனுதினம் விடாது வினை தொடாது விடும் பணிந்திட சிவாய நம மந்திரம் மறவாத ஒரு நாள் மனமனம் எம்மையாகின்ற அருணை மலையானே கருணையில் அருளவாராய் பஞ்சபூதத்தில் ஆட்சி புரிகின்ற நித்தியனே இறங்கி வாராய் தூணிலும் துரும்பிலும் எனதுயிரிலும் நிறைந்து ஆட்கொண்டவா கனவிலும் நினைவிலும் இவை பொழுதிலும் எம்மை காக்கின்றவா தூணிலும் துரும்பிலும் எனதுயிரிலும் நிறைந்து ஆட்கொண்டவா கனவிலும் நினைவிலும் இவை பொழுதிலும் எம்மை காக்கின்றவா தடைகளை உடைத்து எதிரியை ஒழித்து சிவமயமாக்கிடவா தரிசனம் காட்டு கொடிதனை நாட்டு நீராணையின் நாட்டின் ராஜாதி ராஜனே சிவாய நம உபாயம் தரும் அனுதினம் விடாத வினை தொடாது விடும் பணிந்திட சிவாய நம மந்திரம் மறவாத ஒரு நாள் மனமனம் சிவாய நம உபாயம் தரும் அனுதினம் விடாத வினை தொடாது விடும் பணிந்திட சிவாய நம மந்திரம் மறவாத ஒரு நாள் மனமனம்
Pani pani zani zari zari gari zari zari zani pani pama pama gaza. Pani pani zani zari zari gari zari zani zani pani pama pama gama pa pama pa pama pani pama pa gama pa pama pa pama pama gaza. Gama pa pama pama pani pama pa gama pama gama gari gari zari zari zani pani zani zani zani.
Om Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Samarambam Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam
I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanedar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world with my love and blessings. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Listen. Fermentation of the bliss is signs of sustenance. Listen. When you ferment love in you, creation happens, manifestation happens. You become larger than what you always thought. When you ferment bliss, sustenance happens, maintenance happens. When you ferment ferociousness, rejuvenation happens. When you ferment powerful cognitions and the truth, reality, you are pulled out of delusion. Pulling out of delusion, the Trobhava energy manifests in you. When you allow the Guru Bhakti, devotion, initiation, ferment in you, liberation happens in you. Listen to the signs step by step. I am giving you precise signs of manifesting all the 25 dimensions of Paramashiva. When you allow the fermentation of love in you, creation manifests. When you allow the fermentation of bliss in you, sustenance manifests. Understand the word fermentation. Like how you add little curd into milk, boiled milk, then the fermentation happens and the milk turns into curd. Same way, the idli dough, you make it and keep it. The fermentation happens, so it's ready to be made into idli or dosa. You need to allow the fermentation of bliss in you. Understand? All human beings, you always allow some form of fermentation in you. If you are preparing to fight with your boss or your spouse or your friends or your family or your anyone in your life, you can see what happens in you. The anger enters in you, the feeling violated or some injustice is done. Then all your patterns, violence gets triggered. All your reactionary patterns gets triggered. And you let that ferment in you for hours, sometimes even days. Then it just explodes as a fight, encounter, showdown with your family or teamily or friends or son or daughter, with whoever you are planning to fight. Every person in his life allows some form or other, something or other to get fermented inside their system continuously. Sometimes you allow anger to get fermented. Sometimes you allow peace to get fermented. Sometimes you allow frustration to get fermented. Sometimes you allow fear to get fermented. But continuously something or other is getting fermented in you. That is the truth. There is no time some emotion not getting fermented in you. Understand that. You are knowingly or unknowingly actively fermenting something in you. If you decide consciously to ferment bliss in you, you will maintain everything in your life. Health, wealth, relationships, mental health, enlightenment, state of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, super consciousness of Paramashiva, everything you will maintain. Everything you will maintain. Understand? My gurus were focused on making the right fermentation inside me. If you allow the bliss fermentation inside you, you will be attracting so much of life positivity. You will be just planning to expand more and more and more. I'll give you the signs of how bliss fermentation can be done inside your system, so that you can manifest sthiti, sustenance, maintenance energy of Paramashiva. Listen. I'll give you the scale. When you ferment, I'll give you the scale how to find out whether you are fermenting bliss in your life, worry or suffocation or suffering, what you are fermenting in your life. I'll give you the scale. When you allow the fermentation of bliss in your space, inner space, you will be overflowing. You will be just overflowing. Excitement, inspiration, life positivity in your words, thoughts, energy, bubbly, bubbly. Such an exciting, inspiring. Your food intake will drastically reduce. Understand? Most of you eat because you feel empty inside. And you feel by filling the food, you can fill the emptiness inside. If you ferment bliss inside you, drastically your food intake will reduce. Once Isaki Swami, he won't speak lot of words. He is a person who lived like Ramana Maharshi, very less words, especially when he sits in Panchamukam, that Sarvanya Pita, where he used to sit and attend to people and bless people, give darshan to people. He won't even speak. He will have a small slate on which he will just only write whatever instructions he want to give. So even when he is in the ashram, where Kupamal and he, both of them stayed next to next house, it's like a large house next to each other, and both of them stayed, and near the Pavakundra, where they built ashram for me, both of them were staying there. Even in the ashram, he will use very few words to respond to the questions. Once in a month, he will eat one dosa. That is the only solid food. Very rarely, very rare, like a once in 5-6 years, he may eat on Amavasya day also. Usually once in a month, on Purnima day, he will eat one dosa, and once in few years on Amavasya, any one Amavasya, he will eat. Very rare to see him eating. I asked him once, சாப்பிடாம இருந்தா செத்துற மாட்டோமா சாமி? In Tamil I asked. And it is very rare he laughs. He laughed loudly. Appa, told in Tamil, I'll translate exactly. Appa, வயிறு புளிக்காம செத்தா கைலாசம் போயிரலாமப்பா. அது யோகிக்கு அழகு. வயிறு பெருத்து செத்தான்னு ஊரு சொல்லக்கூடாதப்பா. என்னைக்கா இருந்தாலும் சாவு வந்தாலும் வயிறு புளிக்காம செத்துறணும். வயிறு புளிச்சோ பெருத்தோ சாகப்படாதப்பா. I'll translate exactly what he said. See, he said, if at all we have to die, we should die without anything inside the stomach getting fermented. Means the pure empty stomach. We should die in that way, not so much inside getting fermented or fat belly. We should not die in that way. Even if we die, anyhow, if death has to come, let it happen with the empty stomach where there is nothing to ferment. Not because too much is getting fermented and too fat. I started laughing. He said, வயிறு புளிச்சோ பெருத்தோ செத்தான்னு சொன்னா அது அசிங்கமப்பா. அப்படி ஒருவேளை செத்தாலும் வயத்துக்குள்ள புளிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒண்ணுமில்லாம செத்தா அதுதான் பெருமை, அதுதான் யோகிக்கு அழகு. நேரா கைலாசம் போயிடலாம். He said, if we have nothing inside the stomach for fermenting and no fermentation inside the stomach, food are emotions. And if we leave the body at that moment, we will directly reach Kailasa. anyhow, if we have to die, people should say he died without anything getting fermented inside the stomach, not because too much is getting fermented or too big stomach. And then he added a beautiful statement. புளி ஊத்த உள்ள உள்ள புளிக்காத வயிறாகும், தண்ணி ஊத்த உள்ள வயிறு கட்டாத தண்ணி கட்டாத வயிறாகும். Let me repeat. புளி ஊத்த உள்ள புளிக்காத. Listen to this instruction very carefully. It's very important instruction. Then listen to this instruction very carefully. This is very important instruction, good for your day-to-day practice. It's a practical tip. If you take lot of tamarind in your diet, you will develop a stomach where no wrong fermentation happens. That's exact word used. புளி ஊத்த ஊத்த உள்ள புளிக்காத வயிறு ஆகுமப்பா means your liver will function perfectly. All the detoxification will happen. Your liver is the real detoxifier. Your liver detoxes your system. The detox of the liver happens. Your liver starts getting very active. Liver's independent intelligence can be awakened by tamarind. So if you are not doing Pachapatni Vratam, try to always have tamarind juice, tamarind rice, organic. Tamarind is the greatest purifier, especially it detoxes your liver. You see, the liver, when its independent intelligence is awakened, it cleanses all the parasites sitting in the stomach and in liver. And also the tamarind rice and tamarind food, tamarind intake will help you to detox and de-addict yourself from many of the addictions. He said, புளி ஊத்த புளிக்காத வயிறு ஆகும், தண்ணி ஊத்த தண்ணி கட்டாத வயிறு ஆகும். If you take lot of tamarind intake, your stomach will become very pure, where there is no fermentation happens. And if you take lot of water, drink lot of water as much as you can, the body will become so pure, there won't be water restoration. There won't be the bad effects of water restoration. Please understand. If too much water is stored in your system, that leads to a lot of side effects. Weight and too much mucus, many side effects. Water retention causes many problems. My guru has told me, take a lot of water, the water retention problem will be solved. This is surprising. Actually, both are looking very paradoxical, but very important instructions. I followed my whole life and it has helped me a lot. Whenever I did not follow, I suffered. Whenever I followed, it helped me. புளி ஊத்த புளிக்காத வயிறாகும், தண்ணி ஊத்த தண்ணி கட்டாத வயிறாகும். Water retention is a accumulation of excess fluids in the body tissues, medically known as edema. Edema can result from many different disease processes, including the diseases of heart and circulation and kidney disease. Now listen. Let me come back to emotion retention and emotion fermentation. You get multiple types of emotions, almost all emotions every day. Sometimes lust, sometimes greed, sometimes fear, sometimes the multiple versions of fear, sometimes worry, sometimes love, sometimes attention giving, sometimes attention asking, sometimes jealousy, sometimes comparison. Various emotions, sometimes the willpower, sometimes arrogance, sometimes frustration, different emotions I can describe. All kinds of emotions you get. But logically, through your conscious decision, the thought currents or emotions which you cherish stays inside you and starts getting fermented. The good news is, no emotion gets fermented inside you. No fermentation of emotions happens inside you without your conscious support. You should understand that. I still remember somebody came to Isaki Swami and said, some of his problems. When he was describing, Isaki Swami sat silently and he was listening. That is one of the most beautiful way he used to attend to people. He will wait so peacefully. His presence used to be very heavy. The corner of the room, he will be sitting on the wooden plank. One wooden plank as the back support and one wooden plank on which he will be sitting, just with cowpin, lion cloth. Fortunately, the kamandalu he used and those few items are still with us. He has given it to me and it is all still with us. His energy and his presence. The conch he used. And anyhow, listen now. Let me tell my love story with my gurus later. Now let me give you the knowledge, the experience. With my gurus. When I start talking about my gurus, I become like a Hindu Priyal. Chennai Hindu Priyal, if you talk to her, she will never talk about any of my teachings or anything. She will be all talking about me. And sometimes when I talk about my gurus, I also become like her. So let me tell all the teachings of my gurus. So he was so peaceful and heavy in his presence, intense. That person who was telling his problems, he himself understood the source, the core of his problem, and he blurted out. பொறாம ஒன்னாலத்தான் சாமி என் வாழ்க்கையில எல்லா பிரச்சனையும். அது என் வாழ்க்கையையே அழிக்குது சாமி. I'm trying to recollect exact words. Then Isaki Swami heard patiently and used to have that small slate and chalk piece. He gave that to that devotee and asked him to write that main word, Porama. The devotee wrote Porama. Isaki Swami just took the slate and just put one arrow mark the other way and asked him to read reverse. So if you know Tamil, you can write Poramai and read it reverse. So I'll tell you exactly in Tamil. Some devotee came and started telling their problems to Isaki Swami. He heard everything patiently detailed. He was so peaceful. The devotee himself has found why the problems are in his life, what is his real problem and what is the core pattern, why he is creating so much of problems in his life. Finally, he clicked that jealousy is the problem. So he told in Tamil that Poramai is the word for jealousy in Tamil. That is the real problem I am having. He uttered that word. Then Isaki Swami asked him to write that word in Tamil, in the slate. The devotee wrote. Isaki Swami just put the arrow mark the other way and asked him to read that word backside, the reverse. If you read the word for jealousy in Tamil, Poramai, in reverse, it is like a curse word. The moment the devotee read, he smiled and said, he just through the hand gestures, he expressed, Porama angadang gundu pogum. Jealousy will take you to the space where you are cursed. That is what will happen. I tell you, from that day, the devotee consciously stopped supporting his jealousy. So within few weeks, the fermentation of jealousy has stopped inside him. So all the decisions he makes due to the fermentation of jealousy has collapsed. Within 1 or 2 months, he came out of all the problems and he became all right and successful in the life. I tell you, the good news is emotions coming and going may not be in your control, but the fermentation of the emotions is under your control. Only when you consciously support some emotions, the fermentation of that emotion happens inside you. All I am trying to tell you is, stop consciously supporting the fermentation of life negativity. Don't allow the fermentation of the lust, fermentation of the fear, fermentation of the worry, fermentation of the attention need, fermentation of jealousy, fermentation of the arrogance, fermentation of ungratefulness, taking life for granted, frustration. Understand that. What you ferment inside you is your conscious choice. And decide to ferment right experiences, thought currents. I tell you, so many people send a message to me, or whenever they get a dialed avatar call, first thing they'll tell Swamiji, whatever questions I am carrying and I talk to your Atmamurti, on the day satsang, exactly you will talk about that subject and give the answer for me. This is the experience of every initiated disciple. It means you are consciously fermenting initiation. Listen carefully. How many of you experience in the past and present the problem exactly with which you were struggling and you were talking to my Atmamurti? I address exactly that problem and give solution in the satsang. How many of you experienced this in the past and present? Raise your hand. All of you understand. You are consciously fermenting initiation. Liberation is guaranteed for you. The anupaya, initiation, is getting consciously fermented in you. Listen carefully. Whoever allows the conscious fermentation of initiation realizes whatever you talk to Atmamurti reaches me, and exactly the day satsang or the next day satsang you come, whenever you come to the next satsang, you will get the exact answer, precisely like a surgical strike. I'm seeing so many people saying yes on YouTube and Facebook. Maitreyi Solai, don't worry, you have all problems possible. So any problem I address, you will feel it is matching you. There are some people who can make a problem out of any solution. They will have all problems. So any solution I give for any problem, it will exactly match you. And those exemptions are different. I am talking about even common specimens, normal people. Understand? Consciously, when you are letting initiation ferment in you, fermentation of initiation, Guru Bhakti, Anupaya inside you, whatever you talk to my Atmamurti, you will have my answer directly, immediately. When you come to the next satsang, you will have the answer. Sometimes even alive satsang, it does not need to be live. Even alive satsang is enough. Just talk to Atmamurti. That's it. Listen, I want you to understand how you ferment, allow the fermentation of various thought currents knowingly, unknowingly, consciously, unconsciously, and stop supporting life negative thought currents. Stop allowing the fermentation of the negative thought currents. Start allowing life positive, empowering thought currents consciously in you. Listen, if you empower bliss fermentation inside you consciously decide to allow the bliss fermentation inside you. I'll tell you the precise method, how it can happen. First thing, bliss always grows on the ground called reality, truth. The reality, truth is you are Paramashiva. Whatever is the source of you is Paramashiva. You see, what you think as you, what you feel as you is not you. Paramashiva is the real you. That is the source of you. So decide, always consciously cherish Paramashiva is sitting inside you, eternally, blissfully, like the bliss energy is exploding in you. As a strong force. See, there are 4 forces science understands: gravitation force, electromagnetic force, soft nuclear force, strong nuclear force. Visualize Paramashiva sitting inside you consciously, because that is the truth. Whether you even visualize or not, that is the truth. He is sitting inside you consciously. 75 eyes, 25 heads, 50 hands, the Paramashiva sitting inside you. Such strong force of bliss exploding. Allow this conscious Bhava ferment in you into Bhava Samadhi. Whenever you have time, just sit, Shiva, Shiva, with that ajapa of Shiva, Shiva. Allow the bliss fermentation of Paramashiva's existence. Even few minutes of consciously allowing Paramashiva's bliss to ferment in you will wipe out all other unconscious fermentations you have done: anger, violence, frustration, boiling. All other negative fermentations will be cleansed. Just allow the bliss fermentation inside you consciously. If you have a spiritual name, it will be very useful for you, because just even repeating your spiritual name, you can allow that bliss fermentation, because all your spiritual names will have Nitya and Ananda. If you just even repeat your spiritual name with Nitya and Ananda, it will allow the bliss fermentation in you. Or you can use just Shiva, Shiva. Even that Maha Shabda, Maha Mantra. And visualize Paramashiva. Intensely. Shiva, 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 Shiva. I can initiate all of you, even now, into this Parama Shiva and his bliss consciously getting fermented. The fermentation of Parama Shiva and his bliss inside you. First, understand the reality, the truth. The source of you is Paramashiva. Whatever you think as you or feel as you is not you. That is a delusion you have about you. Paramashiva is the real you. Even before you experience Paramashivatva, Paramashiva is the real you. So understand the real you, Paramashiva, is sitting inside you and exploding in bliss as a strong nuclear force. The strong nuclear force of Paramashiva is bliss. Bliss is just exploding. Allow this bhava fermentation to happen in you, so that this bhava fermentation will become bhava samadhi. When you consciously support this fermentation, this bhava will get fermented and it will become bhava samadhi. Consciously fermenting, living Paramashiva and his bliss explosion energy in you will allow the bliss fermentation in every one of us. And bhava will become bhava samadhi. Bhava will become bhava samadhi. Sit now. I'll initiate all of you into this science of sustenance. Paramashiva will directly manifest now and make all of us consciously experience the fermentation of Paramashiva and his bliss in every one of us. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Consciously decide the source of your existence, my existence, everyone's existence is Paramashiva. He is the reality, and his strong force is his bliss. He is sitting alive with his intense bliss energy exploding with 25 faces, 75 eyes, 50 hands, Manonmani Parashakti in his lap, in the eternal bliss. Allow this fermentation to happen consciously in you. Shiva, 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 Shiva. The grace of Paramashiva, blessings of Paramashiva, all the gods and goddesses of Kailas, from Ganapati, Paramashiva, all the divinities, gods and goddesses of Kailas, manifest in all of us. Shiva, Shiva. Let Paramashiva manifest in all of us, in every one of us. Let the intense, strong nuclear force of Paramashiva, is bliss energy, explode in all of us. Let Paramashiva and his bliss energy consciously be fermented in all of us, and the power of sustenance, sthiti, manifest in all of us. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva. I bless you all. Let the fermentation of Paramashiva's bliss, Paramashiva and his bliss happen intensely in all of us. Blessings. I have few questions from Tamal Tarundas and Sri Mukta. I'll answer them in the further satsang. Now I wanted all of you to allow this bliss fermentation inside you intensely. I bless you all. Let Paramashiva's bliss fermentation happen inside all of us. Paramashiva and his bliss fermentation happen as intense, powerful nuclear force in all of us and manifest sustenance, Srishti, Shakti, Srishti, energy, Srishti, face in all of us. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaida Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
श्रीकैलासोन्नतद्वादशान्तः श्यामलापीठारूढा श्रीमीनाक्षि सुन्दरेश्वरा भिन्नस्वरूपा परशिवपुत्ररत्न कुमार गुरुमण्यतुल्यावतार श्रीपार्वती स्तन्यपानलब्धदिव्यज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागमसारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत्परमशिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्र चामर श्रीचिह्न काहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलङ्कृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संघ सद्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्ययापवर्गवर्ष विश्राण जीमूत परमत कलभ केसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्रीराजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज गुरु क्षपण शाक्यादि महांधकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणानर्हार्हध्वजोच्छेदन पूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्तृ सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामिनाम् अवतार भूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामला पीठ सर्वज्ञ पीठ त्रिनवत्युत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान अरुणगिरियोगीश्वर परम्परागत अरुणाचल सर्वज्ञपीठ गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत काञ्ची कैलास सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रयस्त्रिंशदुत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान नित्योत्सव नित्यमङ्गल नित्यकल्याण नित्यरजित कैलास परम्परागत आदि कैलास नित्यानन्दपीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठकर्तः साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परम्परागत वैवस्वत मनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चन्द्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचन्द्र शूरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ति परम्परागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मण्डित चतुष्षष्टि सम्प्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्म शासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुराङ्गी साम्राज्य मूर्धाभिषिक्त चूडामणे साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कपिल महागुरु पुनरुद्धृत महानिर्वाणि पीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामण्डलेश्वर साक्षात् श्री परमशिव सिंहासनाभिषिक्त समस्त गणनायक श्री महागणपति समारंभ अनवच्छिन्न पीठाधीश्वर गुरु परंपरा प्राप्त अटल पीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्ण पीठ त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत आदिपीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ जगद्गुरो श्री कैलास पुनरुद्धारक श्री कैलास परमाचार्य श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ श्रीमज्जगद्गुरु श्रील श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिन् अत्रागत्य परिपाल्य च अस्मान् विज्ञान वितरणेन विजयी भव जय जय।